Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are stepping into a world not many people ever get to see. The ultra-futuristic luxury mansion inspired by the power, discipline, and legacy of Cristiano Ronaldo. Every frame you're about to witness reflects the mindset of a champion. Precision, elegance, performance, and absolute excellence. Stay with me till the end because this visual journey is unlike anything you've seen before. And before we dive in, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our next cinematic tour. From the very first visuals, you'll notice that everything in this mansion feels alive. Lights transition like soft pulses, reflections glide smoothly across the surfaces, and every shape flows with aerodynamic grace. The visuals you see here are more than architecture. They're an expression of Ronaldo's identity. Clean lines that represent discipline, glowing accents symbolizing energy, and futuristic textures inspired by elite performance gear. Everything feels intentional, sculpted, crafted to tell a story. As the camera moves through the environment, you'll see how the design plays with light, shadow, contrast, and movement. Warm, golden tones balance perfectly with cool aqua highlights, creating a visual rhythm that feels both calming and powerful. Notice how each angle reveals a new layer of depth: soft, glowing edges, flowing curves, polished surfaces, and subtle metallic elements that reflect light just enough to catch your eye. Nothing screams for attention, yet everything commands respect. Throughout this cinematic experience, you'll also feel the presence of modern technology blended seamlessly into the environment. Digital reflections shimmer across the floors. Ambient lighting adjusts depending on the angle. Certain surfaces glow organically, almost like the mansion is breathing slowly and quietly. These details capture Ronaldo's futuristic lifestyle, a blend of high performance, high focus, and high luxury. As the visuals continue, pay attention to how the atmosphere shifts. Some spaces glow with warm, intimate light that feels grounding and peaceful. Others shine with cool tones that bring an energetic, motivational vibe, perfect for someone whose life revolves around excellence and achievement. Each part of this mansion reflects a different mood, a different energy, a different chapter of Ronaldo's story. You'll also notice a subtle balance between softness and strength. Smooth curves paired with bold lines, minimal textures paired with vibrant highlights, matte finishes paired with reflective accents. These contrasts create a sense of harmony that elevates the entire environment, making it feel designed for both serenity and ambition. This is exactly the type of environment that champions thrive in. As we near the end of this visual journey, take a moment to absorb the complete atmosphere. Imagine the mindset of someone who lives in a place designed to inspire success every single day. The lighting, the movement, the soft color transitions, they all come together to reflect Cristiano Ronaldo's relentless pursuit of greatness. Thank you so much for joining this cinematic tour of Cristiano Ronaldo's extraordinary luxury mansion. If you love the visuals, the atmosphere, and the storytelling style, then make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon because more incredible cinematic experiences are on the way.